Hey guys, it's me Cody, and today I'll be opening two new things I got from Walmart that I never opened before, so let's get started. The first one I got is Shopkins Season 8 World Vacation. I had not opened this before. This is Season 8, 12 pack. And then I got something new from Walmart. I never opened this before. It's Hatchimals. It's a 4-pack. So yeah. So the first one I'm going to open is Shopkins Season 8 World Vacation 12-pack of Shopkins. It was 2 surprises. Okay. 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 Here's the Shopkins. Oh, here's the checklist. And I might have to open it and see what names there are. Here's what it looks like. Front and back. So let me read out for you. So there's French Adventure, UK Holiday, Italian Tour, German Jet Set, Special Edition Big Charms, Spanish Stopover, and Limited Edition Sunny Globe. And then the Special Edition Dog Bag Charms. So yeah. And 2 blind bags. That could be a surprise later. Let's see. The first I'm going to show you guys this. Oh, cool. It's a little phone plug. Cool. Let's see who I got. She should be, here it is. From the Special Edition Bag Charms, I got Little Globe. Little Globe is a special edition. So yeah, I got a special edition Little Globe. And this is the, it goes into your phone, see. It goes in it. Yeah, it does. Yep, so I got Little Globe. Yep, got Little Globe. Okay, let's see who else I got. Starting from the left. Oh. I'm supposed to do that yet. I'll show her anyway. Got the next one I got is this one. Let me look at her name. She should be back in the box. Let me look at the bottom of the box. I don't know. This must be a little case of cake. Let's see here. What I find. No. It's not set. I don't know what that is. It's supposed to be. I'm trying to look what the name is for. It's not sponge. Oh, it is a sponge cake, duh. From a UK holiday, I got Spencer Sponge, and it's a common. So, yeah, it's a sponge. So, Spencer Sponge. It's so cute. Got Spencer Sponge and Little Globe. And the next one I'm going to get is It's a little palette. Let's see what's this little cutie's name. Oh, Pauline Palette from the French Adventure. And I got Spencer Sponge, and I got Spencer Sponge from the UK Holiday, and then this one is Pauline Palette, and this is a common from the French Adventure. So cute. Let's see what the next shopping I'll get. This one's next one. Here's the fourth one. And this one is... Oh, violin from the Italian tour. And violin is common. Yep, and this is from the Italian tour. So this is violin. Let's check out this next shopping. This is what I got. Oh, she must be a cuckoo. Oh, Talkie Cuckoo Clock from German Jet Set. So here's Talkie Cuckoo Clock. The cuckoo clock. She's so cute. The next one I'm getting is... Ooh. Let's see what this little thing is. I probably know what that is. It probably goes to... Oh, right here. Oh, it's Baguette. So there's Baguette from the French Adventure. Cool. Oh, so I got two from the Italian. So I got two from the French Adventure. Cool. So there's Baguette from the French Adventure, and this is common. Oh, a little Baguette. So adorable. Okay. Got one more, and then including the two shocked in my bag. This one is the crown. It's the blue. Oh, Kingsley crown from the Kingsley crown from the UK holiday. So cute. I got this little shotgun. Got chef hat. The one who has a chef hat. Oh, fluffy souffle. So got, wait, no. Oh, this is oh, I got fluffy souffle and the pink and yellow one. Oh, so this is fluffy souffle in two different colors. Oh, see, they come in two different colors. My bad. Ooh, I know this one is. It's gelato. I love gelato. Yep, see, looks like gelato. Because I know this. Oh, yeah, Gina Gelata. I love gelato. So this is from the Italian tour. And here's some next. Whoa. This has got cut into, let's see what her name is. Oh, she's right here. This is Blake Forest Cake. Yep, I'm right. Blake Forest Cake is a common. And I got two surprise shotguns. And look, I guess it was come with a little city. So this turn was two shotguns. Oh, I got a sparkle one. Cool. Let's see what her name is. It's supposed to be a shirt. Oh, Spanish tacos with glitter finish. Oh, she's right here. I got Senorita's shoe. Ah! Yay, I got ultra rare, and this is from Spanish Stopover, and this is Senorita shoe, and she's a ultra rare, and this was a square fish. Yeah, I got my first ultra rare. Ooh, she is so cool. Oh, and that was a special edition. Yay, so cute. And then I got, let's put her in her room. Put her in a little room. Wait. Yeah. Come on, let's put you in a little room. Okay, so you got a little. Okay. Got that one. And oh, this one's a little handbag. Where is this one? She's a little handbag. Oh, here we go. Bridge at Baghdad. Bridge at Baghdad. Oh, there she's right there. No, she's not there. No, wrong. Where's she? What's the one's a heart? I started. Oh, there she is. I'm so sorry. Her name is Bettina Bag. Oh yeah, there she is. Bettina Bag, and she's a rare. Who's these? Oh, so she go. Let me put it in the little room. Cool, got a little bag and shoe. And it's easy to fold. Yep, and it's easy to fold up. Cool. Okay. And last one I'm going to open is finally the Hatchimals. Take out the checklist. Oh, no. Okay. Here is the Hatchimal collectibles. So there are Giggle Grove, Meadow, Farm, Lilac Lake, Forest, Savannah, Garden, Jungle, Polar Paradise, River, Ocean, Desert. And so Cloud Club. You get Club Red, Ultra Rare Edition. And it's where it is. So the map. So yeah, these are like real eggs. Let me pop out the. Here's the invisible one. And let's see what this one is. Oh, it's right here. I'm from Savannah. Oh, cool, I got a little elephant. And that was a common. So I got a little elephant right there from the Savannah. So stinking cute. Okay, then I got Sword. Be careful, they're like little eggs. Got this one. This one. Careful, they're like real eggs. This one. And that one. Be careful, because they're real eggs. Okay, and then let's see what I got. I'm going to go with this one. I think this one's from Garden. Yeah, the Garden, because it's light pink. Not really hatch. Cool. Aww. Oh, he's a little mess, but I don't care. Oh, so cute. Okay, then we say